Right there.
Can you touch the bed? Touch the bed. Touch it.
Oh, okay. Yay. Play with that one. That one wants to play. See?
Ready?
Look. Aww. Yeah.
Another bed.
Yeah. There are two of them. They're friends. They live together. See, you can play with this one. This one wants to play. Eh?
It's so cool. It's still your baby. Hey.